Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the episode 4 of my bridal series, and in this episode I'm gonna show you how to do an easy and simple Mehendi or Sangeet Night makeup look. I'm damn sure that every bride will hire a makeup artist for her weddings, but if you can do your own makeup on your Mehendi and Sangeet looks, you can save so much of money. So in this episode, let's see how to do a simple and quick makeup look for your Mehendi or Sangeet night. So this is the look I came up with. If you want to know how I achieved this look, you have to watch this video till the end. All the products I used in this video are very affordable, so you don't need to burn your pockets. So without further delay, let's begin the video.
Starting with the eye makeup, here I am using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 10 and applying it all over my eyes and blending it with the help of a sponge. Now I am taking Makeup Studio loose powder and with the same sponge applying the powder on my eyelids to set the concealer. This is a Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette which is called Comfort Zone, and I am taking the shade over here and applying it on my crease area and blending it nicely. Now taking the darker shade and placing it on the outer V and slowly taking this darker shade into the crease area. This shade over here and applying it in the inner 1/3 of my eye. For the bling, I am taking the single glitter eyeshadow from Wet n Wild which is called Nude and applying it on the center of my eyelid with the help of my finger. Now taking the same darker shade which I used in the outer V, I am gonna smoothen out the edges and blend the colors together nicely. As I want the focus on my lips, I am keeping the eyes very simple and subtle. Now taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Face Primer and applying it all over my face. Can you see the red pimple marks over here? To cancel this redness, I am taking a green color corrector from Illegal Cosmetics and applying it on the places where I have the redness and blending it with the same sponge. Taking a peach corrector from Illegal, I am applying it under my eyes and around my mouth to cancel the darkness. This step of color correction around the mouth is very important if you want to go for bold lips. And also I'm applying it on the neck where I can see little discoloration and blending it with the same sponge. I'll leave all the products names in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. For foundation, I am using the Ace of Face foundation stick in the shade 25 from Sugar Cosmetics and applying it all over my face and neck. This stick also comes with a brush, so using the same to blend the foundation. I'm gonna dab the same damp beauty sponge all over my face to remove any excess foundation. Now applying the same Fit Me concealer on all the areas where I wanted to highlight and blending it nicely. Take your own time and blend everything nicely, as blending is the key for the nice base. With the help of the same loose powder, I am setting the places where I have applied my concealer and removing the excess with the help of a fluffy powder brush. Using the same darker shade, I am applying it on my lower lash line. For the kajal, I am taking a nude liner pencil and applying it on the waterline, lower waterline. Taking a cream gel liner from Colorpop Cosmetics, I am applying it all over my upper waterline and on the outer half of my lower waterline. With this shade, I'm gonna highlight the inner corners of my eyes. For contouring, I'm using the NYX Contour and Highlight palette and contouring on the usual places where I wanted to contour. If you have a big forehead like me, don't forget to contour it. For blush, I'm applying this one from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Peach Peak. To highlight my face, I'm using the Wet n Wild Megaglo Illuminator. As I am wearing an off-shoulder top, I am gonna highlight my collarbones too. For the brows, using a Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Pencil in the shade Medium Brown and filling my eyebrows with it. I feel brow pencils are way too quicker to use than pomades, so brow pencils are my first preference. I'm gonna highlight the brow bone with the same illuminator which I used on my face. For liner, I'm using the Wet n Wild Pro Line Felt Tip Eyeliner in the shade Black. I'm using the Wet n Wild products for the first time, which I purchased during a recent sale which happened on Myntra. So let me know if you wanna see a review on these much hyped products. For mascara, it's again from Wet n Wild. For the bold and beautiful red lips, I used Matte as Hell crayon lipstick from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Scarlet O'Hara. Off the camera, I used a setting spray from Wet n Wild, which is a photo focus matte finish, and I set my hair and used a Mang Tika to finish the look.
Guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you all like this quick and simple makeup look which you can do for any night party. So if you like this makeup look, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below your thoughts and share this with your friends and family members. And last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the small bell icon which is next to the subscribe button. That will notify you whenever I upload any new video. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.